Hey everyone, welcome back to The Oily Life. My name is Tanya, and for today's project I'm going to be sharing how you can make a soothing chest rub. This is really great for when you're congested, either nasal congestion or chest congestion. And now that we're into that lovely cold and flu season, I like to try to make some of this up before I actually need it, because there's nothing worse than being congested and then not having what you need to help relieve it. So right here I have my melting pot, and I'm just going to add in a tablespoon of beeswax, and then a tablespoon of coconut oil. And if you didn't have a melting pot like this, you could use a double boiler on your stove or a glass microwave safe container and heat it up that way as well. All right. And then we are going to add in about 1.5 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. You could use a different carrier oil if you would like. I just happen to have this on hand, so that's what I'm going to use today. Grapeseed oil also has a lot of great skin properties, so you get that little extra benefit when you're using it, when you rub it on for this chest rub. All right, so now that we have everything in our melting pot, I'm just going to get it heated up and then I'll be right back. All right, so I have everything all melted down, so now we're going to go ahead and add in our essential oils. So I'm going to do 15 to 20 drops of eucalyptus. This particular one is Eucalyptus globulus, but you could use one of the other eucalyptuses as well. And eucalyptus is a pretty well-known one. It's in a lot of chest rubs that you would find in the store as well. It's really great for anything respiratory. And then next, I'm going to add in 10 drops of peppermint. Peppermint's really refreshing, and it also helps with just like opening up your airways. So 10 drops of that. And then 5 drops of lavender, and the lavender is going in more for its soothing quality, because when you're all congested like that, you're not feeling that great to begin with, so it's nice to just have that soothing, relaxing quality of the lavender. So we're going to put 5 drops of that in. And if you were going to use this on a child, I might dilute it a little bit more, so use less drops, but for an adult, this is a fine strength. So now I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together. You just want it really well combined. And if you did want to purchase any of the Young Living oils that I'm using today, there's a link down in my description box where you can pick the oils up, where you can shop the Young Living website. All right, so we have that all mixed together there. And now we're just going to go ahead and pour it into our container. This is a 1-ounce aluminum tin. These are nice because you can reuse them. A little of this rub goes a long way, so this is a good amount. It'll last you a while, but you could, of course, double or triple the recipe if you wanted to make a larger amount. And we're just going to pour it right in. There we go. Now we're just going to let this cool completely, which will be a couple of hours. And then once it's cooled completely, we'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, and as you can see, the mixture has cooled completely. So at this point, you can just put the lid on it, store it in a cool, dry place, and then whenever you need it, you'll just want to put a little bit on your fingertips. And then I like to put it on my temples, avoiding my eye area, of course, on my temples, under my nose, and on my chest when I have congestion, and it really helps just kind of clear all of that up. Now, obviously, this is not a cure for anything like a cold or the flu, but it definitely helps you feel better just by relieving some of that congestion. I did also want to mention that if you are newer to essential oils and you want to learn more about them, I have a free essential oil basics course that I put together. It's about a 30-minute video, and I always have a link to that down in my description box. It is a completely free video, so anytime you want to watch that, just click the link in my description box. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. That really helps my channel, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!